Hey y'all, Juliana here. I've been talking a lot lately about our fall wildflowers that are blooming, and today I have a real showstopper for you. It's Liatris, also known as blazing star. Now, the species of Liatris that we have growing here in the coastal plain really thrive in wide open fire-maintained habitats like the pine savanna that I'm sitting in. And this pine savanna was burned just this last winter, and so you can see that it's really bounced back, it's thriving. We don't just have Liatris around me, there are golden tops, golden rods, bone sets, and several species of peas, grasses, and tons and tons and tons of pollinators who are visiting all of these plants. Now, Liatris is one of many of our native fall wildflowers that's blooming right now, who is a member of the Aster family, which is one of the flowering plant families that has the largest number of species in the world. So it's no surprise that we have lots of asters in our area. And you can tell an aster from another species of plant by looking at the types of flowers they produce, because all asters are producing a type of flower called a composite flower. That means that even though from a distance it might look like one flower, it's actually made up of a bunch of little flowers. And sometimes they're disc flowers, sometimes they're ray flowers, and sometimes it's a combination of both. So a really great example of an aster with a composite flower that has both disc and ray flowers is a sunflower. That big dark face in the middle is actually hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of darkly colored disc flowers, and the yellow petals surrounding it is actually dozens and dozens of ray flowers, and they look like petals. For our Liatris, there are no ray flowers. It's completely made up of disc flowers, and each little flower head is held together by bracts, and those bracts are holding together about 4 to 5 purple disc flowers. For me, blazing star isn't a showstopper because of those beautiful little purple, sometimes pink or white disc flowers that it presents, but it's a showstopper because of the sheer number of insects that it attracts. Blazing star puts out tons and tons of nectar, and that makes it very popular with all kinds of insects. And for blazing star, that's a really good thing because it's a generalist. It will take any insect and use that insect for pollination. So it doesn't matter if you're a bumblebee or a moth or a butterfly, you can get the job done. Come one, come all, you're gonna make Liatris or blazing star happy. So while you're out and about this fall, keep your eyes peeled for this amazing native wildflower and consider putting it in your native plant garden because it supports such a wide diversity of our local and very important insect populations.